plus engaging classroom where learning meets fun. So, welcome back, everyone, and welcome to anybody who's new. So, today is the fourth video of HTML series. In this video, we are going to learn how to use different language models in HTML. So, before we begin, I would like to thank you all and praise you all for watching this video instead of a mindless candy game. And I'd also like to give a very short intro, like a very short summary of what we did in the last sessions. So in session 1, like of HTML, we completed all the different, like the very basic types of HTML coding. In session 2, we learned how to make tables. In session 3, we covered all the tags of HTML. And in session 4, we learned different languages. So first, I'm going to show you which type are we expecting to do. Okay, so we are expecting to do this. This is Hello World in English. This is Hello World. Well, this is a different thing. I kind of printed it by mistake. This is Hello World. Just consider this part. In Hindi. This is Hello World in French. This is Hello World in Spanish. I just took out some random languages which I thought would be different. But if I didn't include your language, it's fine. I'll include it in the next few videos. Don't worry. Okay, so now we'll try doing the code. Okay, so we are back to this. I'm not going to show you again how to save a HTML folder since I'm pretty sure you know it already. Now, I'm also sure you know how to write in English, but I'm still going to write first. First, what do we do? Come on, speak with me. Yes, correct. HTML. Again, I'm not going to repeat stuff I've already said in the first few lessons. You should have kept your ear open. Next, what do we do? Yes. In this case, we write this. Now, you might think that why in the other codes didn't we write this? See, you don't need to write this if your computer setting is in English. So like my windows are in English. But if your computer setting is in a different language, then you might need to write this. Same way, my computer setting is not in Hindi or not in Spanish or not in French. But I need to write this thing. So next we write this. As you might see, there's something called Meta Corset UTF-8. UTF-8. If you notice it here, like down below here, I can't see if you can see it or not. Can you see this here part, like at the very down right corner? If you see, there's written this. So UTF-8. This is a kind of font, you can say. Well, yeah, that accepts all sort of language, but there are some UTF. Sorry, I was saying UTF. There are some kind of UTFs that only accept English or only accept Arabic or only accept German. But for this, you're using this UTF, it might be something different. Next, I'm just going to write the code because it's really simple. Now, as you can see, I'm done with the whole code. Here we have our title. That's Hello World. That's part of the head though. Next, we have our body, which is Hello World, etc. Now, I am pretty sure that all of you know how to write this. Why was it on safe? But yeah, all of you know how to write this. This is very, very simple. In this one, if you see, I have not even included background colors and stuff because that's not what we're learning. We're trying to learn the HTML language thing. Next, we are going to try write a Spanish one. Okay, So I have done HTML, and then the language, if you might see, I have written ES. Now, if you don't know this, in Spanish, Spanish is known as Espanol. It's known as Espanol. That's why, because I learned Spanish, that's why it's ES instead of SB, right? Most languages, the English version of it and the native version of it is the same, but for Spanish it's different. So this is what we write. Now the next part, I'm again gonna write it down, then show you, because I'm holding the microphone and it's really hard for me to type. It's gonna be really slow then. Now, if you might see, down here I have again used meter corset, and there hasn't been a problem. So this is meter corset again, and there's no problem in that. And works. And you might think hola in Spanish means hi or hello, and munda or mundo, whatever you call it, like whatever you want to call it, you can call it. Like some accents are different. It's mundi or mundo. So this means the world, like not the world, just the world, just world, nothing else. So that's why it's hola mundo. Next, you're going to type out the rest of it, which is pretty simple. Now, as you can see, I have written it out. It's again hola mundo. And in Spanish, the first exclamation is always like this. So the upside down. I kind of copied and pasted it from Google, because in my computer I don't have the Spanish setting. So yeah, very simple. Next, we're going to try and do a French one. Now, you know when you're writing this Espanol, these don't really matter in the Spanish and French, because they're just using the same letters. The letters are the same. But for Hindi, it actually matters, because for Hindi, we are not using the same letters. The letters are different. So, here we go. I wrote down French one. Bonjour. So it's the same, and you might see it's FR. I forgot what you call it. It's either Franquish. No, Franquish is German, I think. But anyways, yeah, I know German too. In case you're wondering, my mic just fell off. But okay, bonjour means hello. Le monde means the world. Again, same thing, and again, it doesn't really matter here because the letters are same. Now, let me show you the Hindi one. Right, I didn't. Okay, I get it. There was a space here, that's why the expectation was different. Okay, another thing is that we're gonna. So, this is the whole coding. As you can see, I'm gonna control S it, and what's control S? Yeah, I guess it's working. Okay, so here, as you might see, this really matters, because if you don't tell the computer that it's Hindi, it might think it's English and start reading it and give you an error. So this is Hindi. Yeah, as you can see, I don't have it in my computer either. It's copy pasted from Google. I was trying to do Arabic, because in Arabic you read from right to left, again from Google. And you read from right to left, and there you can use another option. But Arabic is really tough, so I didn't write it here. So I'm probably gonna include it in the next video for like an example. Right, so let's see how all of them worked out. So I've saved all of them as French, Spanish, Hindi, and what else was there? English, correct. Okay, let's see how each of these worked out. These are not them, okay? Okay, so first we open this one. Let me bring it to the middle. This is the English one, right? Let me open it. And ta-da! It worked out. Absolutely perfect. Next, we'll find the Spanish one. Ta-da! Hola mundo. It's telling me to translate the page, but hola mundo. Next is this one. I by mistake translated it. Sorry. Bonjour del mundo. Very silly. Now let's see the Hindi one. Here it is. Ta-da! The HTML was by mistake. It was a glitch in it. So here we are, and you're da-da-dun, da-da-dun, da-da-dun. Okay, now as I always say, in some videos I'll try and show you some shortcut keys. So the first shortcut key we have in here, this should be having, actually not a shortcut key, but let's just say eeny meeny fun. Okay, so well, I am not gonna show you that in this video anyways. I'll make a different video for that, for all the shortcut keys, releasing soon in the middle of the HTML thing, so don't worry. And okay, till then, stay tuned for my next video. Try practicing whatever I'm teaching you if you have a laptop at your house. So till next time, it's me, Shy Anita, dropping off.